Good morning, everyone. We are back at Cabana Bay for a stay here at Universal Studios Orlando during their Mardi Gras celebration. Very excited to come back to this hotel. Haven't been here in 2 years. We're gonna go inside, check out the room, and show you guys around. Are you excited to be here too? Yeah? You are? I know. Oh, you're backing up so everyone can see you? Yeah? Okay. Let's go inside. All right. Hey. You wanna show everybody inside? Let's go. Come on. So everything's kind of the same since the last time we were here 2 years ago, except now open shakes, Sundays, and smoothies, baked goods, is over here by the Bayliner Diner, over here to the left. There we go. It's right over here. Ice cream. Oh, check this out. So Shakes also has bacon, egg, and cheese croissants and a ham and cheese croissant for your breakfast. That's good to know. I didn't know that. And then here's all the ice creams. So many. Wow. No mint chocolate chip. Interesting. There's your prices up there. We'll zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see that, the way it comes up. There's your breakfast. And you can even get a smoothie. Nice. Looking at those shakes. Oh, and sundaes. And brownie sundae. Brownie sundae? Now that... Yeah. Bayliner Diner over here, the big, food court. Over at Cabana Bay, same stuff that was here the last time we were here. Just give you guys a little peek. Big selection of breakfast items. We're gonna head down over here to start. Okay, that was seriously impressive. From the time I got into line to the time they just handed me my drink, 8 minutes. 8 minutes at 9 o'clock in the morning on a Friday. 8 minutes, that is impressive. Well, hello. Are we back at Cabana Bay? Would you like to give the room tour? Do you want to show everybody around our room? It's pretty nice. Yeah? You gonna show everybody? We're gonna start over here in the bathroom? Okay. So guys, welcome. We are at Cabana Bay. We are back for the first time since 2021, September, I think we stayed here. So we have a standard 2-queen room. We walk in here, first thing is the bathroom. It's right over here. So you've got plenty of counter space here. Nice mirror. Hair dryer here on the wall. Got some towels. You got your vintage Zest soap like they do here, the old style. Love that. Got additional towels underneath and some storage. Also got some drawers in case you need those, one on each side. Then as we come over here into the bathroom, got a nice stand-up shower and all of your vintage VO5 shampoo, conditioner, soap. Zest, awesome. Nice shower head up there. Rack in case you need to put any products on that. Handle over here, little shelf, looks very nice. Toilet, extra towels. Coming back over here, there's Ernie. There's the door, that's where we just came in. Now we're coming back out over here. Got a little area over here for luggage, which is nice. There's also a closet over here on the left. As you walk in, got your ironing board, little luggage rack, dry cleaning, extra pillow and blanket up top. Very nice. As you come in here into the room, I don't know about you guys, but this room feels very spacious. It feels like we've got a lot of room here in the middle. This feels like extra. Plus, we've got this storage space over here, which is nice. Got your little mini fridge under the TV over here, right there. Got the chiller. 4 very good sized drawers if you want to unpack. A little storage. Got a nice TV. Got your coffee set up over here. Nice light. Couple of chairs, table in case you need to do any work. Ice bucket. You've also got several plugs over here, including some USBs, which is amazing. And like I said before, this is a 2-queen room. So we got our 2 queen beds over here. Looks very comfy. And then you've got, oh, Ernie's checking them out. You've got your TV remote control over here that has been cleaned. A little pad and paper in case you need to write anything down. Very cute with that old style rotary phone on it. Got your phone here in case you need to call anyone. Clock, little complimentary bottle of hand sanitizer, and multiple plugs for charging your devices, which is amazing. Also enjoy the reading lights above each bed. And there's some very cool art on the walls. This is very nice. We're gonna be here for 3 nights. We're gonna be enjoying the Mardi Gras festivities at Universal. Hey, Ernie, what are you doing? Are you checking out the plugs over here? Oh yeah, there are some additional plugs over here. Look at that. You've got 2 more down here. Okay. I think this is gonna be great. I'll show you guys the view. We got a little bit of a nice view here. As you come out over here, okay, yeah, that's the parking lot. And that is Adventura, but also, if you look right over there to the left, that is Hogwarts. So we're thinking we might have a little bit of a fireworks view this evening. And that is confirmed. We can see the fireworks going off from the castle over in Hogwarts at Universal Islands of Adventure. We cannot, however, see the fireworks on the lagoon portion over at Universal Florida. Still not bad for a standard view. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys again soon.